10 most bizarre creatures you've never heard of. The Earth, in all its vastness, holds a multitude of secrets. From the depths of the ocean to the densest jungles, life flourishes in various forms. Yet, hidden amongst the familiar animals we've come to know, there exist creatures so peculiar and extraordinary they defy our very concept of what it means to be alive. That's why in today's video, we'll be uncovering 10 of the most bizarre creatures you've never heard of. Number 10. Glass frog. Glass frogs, belonging to the Centralinidae family, are small amphibians that live up to their name with translucent skin on their bellies and chests. This transparency offers a unique glimpse into their inner world, revealing their beating hearts, pulsing arteries, and even food making its way through their digestive tracts. Found from southern Mexico to Ecuador and beyond, glass frogs prefer the humid embrace of lowland and mountain forests. They spend their days perched on leaves, blending seamlessly into the greenery thanks to their vibrant green or brown upper bodies. But it's when the sun dips low that their magic truly shines. As dusk settles, the frogs become living lanterns, their transparent bellies showcasing the inner workings of their lives. Beyond their translucency, glass frogs exhibit fascinating behaviors. Males of some species boast vibrant red markings on their backs, which they flash like beacons to attract mates. Number 9. Matam Mat. The Matam Mat is a distinctive freshwater turtle indigenous to the Amazon and Orinoco River basins in South America. What makes the Matam Mat truly bizarre is its unique appearance. It has a flattened, triangular head adorned with numerous skin flaps and protuberances. This distinctive morphology serves as an effective camouflage strategy, resembling fallen leaves and debris, allowing the turtle to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Matam Mat is its feeding behavior. Functioning primarily as an ambush predator, it lies motionless on the water bottom, partially buried in sediment with only its head exposed. When prey, such as fish, ventures within striking distance, the Matam Mat rapidly extends its neck and opens its large mouth, creating a vacuum to suck in the unsuspecting prey. Number 8. Dumbo Octopus. The Dumbo octopus, belonging to the genus Cryptotoithus, is a deep-sea cephalopod that is equal parts cute and bizarre. This octopus resides in the extreme depths of the world's oceans, typically found at depths ranging from 3,000 to 4,000 meters, 9,800 to 13,100 feet. Its preferred habitat is the abyssal plain, making it one of the deepest living octopus species. The most distinctive feature of the Dumbo octopus is the pair of large ear-like fins that resemble the ears of the Disney character Dumbo, inspiring its common name. Also, it possesses a gelatinous body that allows the octopus to withstand the high pressures of the abyssal depths. Due to the extreme depths at which the Dumbo octopus lives, studying its behavior and ecology presents significant challenges. Maybe in the future we'll see more of this species. Number 7. Redlipped Batfish. The Redlipped Batfish is a peculiar-looking fish species native to the waters around the Galapagos Islands in the Pacific Ocean. It is typically found at depths ranging from 10 to 76 meters, 33 to 250 feet. If you haven't already noticed, this fish is like no other. It has a flattened body with pectoral fins that resemble wings. The most notable characteristic, however, is its bright red lips, which give the fish its common name. What's interesting is that the red coloration of this fish's lips is thought to play a role in attracting mates. Sound familiar? Also, unlike most fish that swim, the red-lipped batfish is not a strong swimmer. Instead, it uses its modified pectoral fins to walk on the ocean floor. This unique adaptation allows it to move along the seabed in search of prey and suitable habitat. Number 6. Glaucus Atlanticus. The Glaucus Atlanticus, commonly known as the blue dragon or blue glaucus, is a uniquely colored sea slug that inhabits various oceans, particularly in temperate and tropical regions. The blue dragon's coloration is a key characteristic that captures attention. Its body is adorned with vibrant blue hues on the upper surface, while the underside is silver, helping it blend into the reflective surface of the ocean. The striking blue color serves as a form of aposematism, warning potential predators of its venomous and potentially harmful nature. Feeding on the Portuguese man-of-war is a notable aspect of the blue dragon's ecology. Despite the man-of-war's powerful sting, the blue dragon is immune to its venom, and in fact stores the stinging cells from its prey's tentacles in its wing-like structures called serrata. Number 5. Tufted Deer. The tufted deer is a strange species of deer native to certain regions in central and northeastern China, as well as parts of Myanmar. The size of the tufted deer is relatively small compared to other deer species. Adults typically weigh between 20 to 50 kilograms, 44 to 110 pounds, and stand about 50 to 70 centimeters, 20 to 28 inches tall at the shoulder. But that's not what makes them stand out. If you're wondering what those fang-like things coming out of their mouths are, they're actually elongated, tusk-like canines. These canines extend downward from the upper jaw, curving slightly outward. In male tufted deer, these canines can grow to be several inches long. In contrast, females typically have much shorter and less conspicuous canines. Another notable feature of the tufted deer is the tuft of dark hair on its forehead, which resembles a mohawk or a small tufted crown. This characteristic gives the deer its name. Number 4. Goblin Shark. The goblin shark is a deep-sea inhabitant that thrives in the ocean's depths, typically residing at staggering depths ranging from 1,000 to 3,000 meters, 3,280 to 9,840 feet. At the forefront of its peculiarity is its elongated snout, a remarkable departure from the streamlined snouts characteristic of most shark species. This flattened, sword-like extension is both striking and functionally significant, especially in the context of the goblin shark's deep-sea habitat. Adding to its unusual anatomy, the goblin shark possesses protrusible jaws, a feature rarely seen in the shark world. This means the shark can extend its jaws forward, creating a sudden and swift movement to capture prey. The teeth of the goblin shark further contribute to its peculiar appearance. Unlike the serrated teeth found in some predatory sharks, the goblin shark's teeth are thin and needle-like, suitable for grasping and securing soft-bodied prey. Everything about this shark is a departure from the sharks we've come to know. Number 3. The Melia boeleni python. The Melia boeleni, commonly known as Boelen's python, is a unique species of python native to New Guinea. What sets this python apart from the rest is its unique coloration. As juveniles, they are predominantly black with vivid yellow or greenish bands. However, as they mature, the black color fades and the snakes develop an iridescent sheen, displaying a spectrum of colors, including blue, green, and gold. This vibrant and ever-changing coloration distinguishes Boelen's python from many other python species. Boelen's python also has a relatively slender and elongated body compared to other python species. Additionally, it possesses a prehensile tail, which is adapted for gripping and climbing. These physical characteristics are thought to be advantageous in navigating the complex terrain of its mountain habitat. Number 2. Blobfish. The blobfish is a bizarre fish that resides in the deep waters off the coasts of Australia and Tasmania, typically at depths ranging from 600 to 1,200 meters, 2,000 to 3,900 feet. In its natural environment, the blobfish's body is adapted to the extreme pressures of the deep sea. The strange aspects of the blobfish's appearance is its unique facial structure. In its natural habitat, where pressure is significantly higher than at the surface, the blobfish's flesh takes on a gelatinous, somewhat saggy appearance. Its body lacks a swim bladder, which is a gas-filled organ that aids many fish in maintaining buoyancy. The lack of a swim bladder contributes to the blobfish's unusual shape. Out of the water, the blobfish undergoes a significant transformation. When brought to the surface, it experiences a drastic change in pressure, causing its gelatinous flesh to lose density and collapse. As a result, the blobfish's appearance becomes vastly different from its deep-sea form, leading to its famously blobby and somewhat comical appearance when photographed out of its natural environment. Number 1. SAA Antelope. The SAA antelope stands out as a truly bizarre species primarily due to its distinctive nose structure, making it instantly recognizable. This bulbous nose, often described as a proboscis, serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it functions as a natural air conditioning system. In freezing winter temperatures, the large surface area of the nose helps warm up the frigid air before it enters the lungs. This pre-warming mechanism minimizes the risk of respiratory issues that could arise from inhaling extremely cold air. Secondly, and perhaps even more crucially in the semi-desert environment, the unique nose acts as an effective air filter. During the SAA antelope's mammoth migrations, when large herds kick up clouds of dust, their specialized noses come into play. The proboscis filters out the airborne dust particles, preventing them from entering the respiratory system. This filtration process is vital for the SAA's respiratory health, enabling them to breathe more easily and endure the challenges presented by the dusty and arid landscapes they inhabit. That was our list of the 10 most bizarre creatures you've never heard of. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more content like this. See you in the next one.